so here class, review na to ang inserting entourage like cars. So where to find the cars and vegetation? You go to insert here, then load Autodesk family. You need internet for this internet connection. Insert, then load Autodesk family. This dialog will appear. You have options. So for cars and related items, you go to entourage. Then let's say for car, you pick lang and then load. Okay? For people, RPC, click lang kana. Then load. So once you load, example, this one, this van, that van, you click that, then load. It will download, of course. Then you go to FFL. Then you type CM for component. So it will insert the latest item you have downloaded, like this one. Click lang, then escape. While inserting, you can also change the component that you will insert. Another item is load family. Kani siyang load family class, the difference is need na siya i-download yun into your system yun sa local nimo. Okay, pero heavy man na siya. I suggest lang kanilang yung load Autodesk family kay cloud lang. Okay, pero imong storage dako, then you can have the one na siyang load family. You follow lang this instruction. Again, the idea is na siya ay families yun ang Revit. No? You need to download and ipasod yun na siya sa imong system, sa imong computer storage. Medyo dako lang yun ang ma-occupy na storage. So for practicality, go for cloud lang, load Autodesk family. You can also get families from other sites. Daghan mga Revit files, mga created na daan. Okay, ay mga doors, furniture, windows, and mga entourage pod na pod class. But careful lang on the size. Kaya ang size of these items, some items might be too heavy. Basig mapugatan na nun imuhang kani siyang Revit file. So other designers, wato nila isang Revit, isang structure lang yun. Okay, and then basic lang entourage. Then export the structure of Revit to another program, for example, Lumion, Twinmotion, or other program. Dito na ang mga detailed yun nga components lang. Mga vegetation, cars, and people.